Away they go. Number 4, Storm, fast to begin and rushing up from the outside is Tiger Ruffy. Moving up is Showmaster. It's now Showmaster. Followed by Southern Burst rushing up Mother of Honor. Speedy Kim alongside Tiger Ruffy Double O. Down on the inside is Mike's Dancer, Elgin and Chairman. Boss Poggy, then comes Storm, alongside Super Elegant Salazar. Number 3, New Golden City and Pound for Pound is running in 14th. Ed Showmaster via Lenkana, followed by Matter of Honor, Sudden Burst, Double O, rising out by the rail is Mike's Dancer, Elgin and Sherman. Also joining them is Tiger, Ruffy, Speedy Kim. Last 450, Double O via length and a half. Elgin and Sherman, Mike's Dancer, Tiger, Ruffy, Showmaster, is Speedy Kim. As they race the final corner, Double O via length and a half. Elgin and Sherman is running on the outside. Mike's Dancer down on the inside. Tiger, Ruffy. And nearing the finish line, Double O, Elgin and Sherman making his final beat from the outside. Moves up. It's now Elgin and Sherman. Double O second. Mike's Dancer third, fourth. Mother of Honor, Tiger, Ruffy. And for your super sa number 13, Speedy Kim.